Hi there, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, I will show you simple steps to troubleshoot if Facebook newsfeed not updating. Let's dive in. Number 1, verify your internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for Facebook to function correctly. Test other websites. Open your browser and navigate to different websites. If other website loads slowly or not at all, your internet connection may be unstable. Restart your router. Unplug your router from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds. Plug the router back in and wait for it to reconnect. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If you are using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data to see if the issue persists and vice versa. Number 2, refresh the Facebook app or web page. Sometimes a simple refresh can resolve the issue. On mobile, open the Facebook app, swipe down from the top of the screen until you see a loading icon, then release the refresh the feed. On web browser, click the refresh button in the browser or press Ctrl R for Windows or Command R for Mac. Number 3, check Facebook server status. Ensure that Facebook servers are operational. Open downdetector.com, search for Facebook to see if there are an issue. If there are a widespread issue, you may need to wait until Facebook resolve it. Number 4, log out and log back in. Re-establishing your session can fix minor glitches. On mobile app, tap the 3 horizontal line in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap log out. Close the app completely. Reopen the app and log back in your credentials. On web browsers, click the downward-facing arrow in the top right corner, select Log Out, close the browser tab, reopen the browser and log back in for official Facebook page. Number 5, clear cache and data. Accumulated cache can cause performance issues. On mobile app, go to your device setting, tap on Apps or Application Manager, find and tap Facebook, tap Storage, tap Clear Cache. If issue persists, tap Clear Data or Clear Storage. On browser, open your browser setting, navigate to Privacy and Security, click on Delete Browsing Data, select Cache Images and Files and Cookies and other site data. Choose All Times as the time range, click Clear Data. Number 6, update the Facebook app. Using the latest version, ensure optimal performance. On Android, open the Google Play Store, search for Facebook. If an update is available, tap Update. On iOS, open the App Store, tap on your profile icon at the top right, scroll down to see pending updates. If Facebook appears, tap Updates. Number 7, adjust content preferences. Customize your feed to see the most relevant post. For mobile app, tap the 3 horizontal line in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Setting and Privacy, then Setting. Under Preferences, tap Content Preferences. From here, you can prioritize who to see first, unfollow people to hide their posts, reconnect with people you are unfollowed, and manage your snooze setting. On web browser, click the downward-facing arrow in the top right corner, select Setting and Privacy, then Content Preferences. Adjust your preferences as desired. Number 8, set date and time to automatic. Incorrect date and time setting can cause synchronization issues. On Android, go to Setting, tap System, then Date and Time, enable automatic date and time and automatic time zone. On iOS, go to Setting, tap Journal, then Date and Time, enable Set Automatically. On Windows, right-click the time and adjust it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for our channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.